In this third problem, the mean daily production of a herd of cows is assumed to be normally distributed with a mean of 35 liters and a standard deviation of 10.2 liters. In A here, we're asked to find the probability that the daily production is between 16.4 and 57.7 liters. And we're asked to do this not without the use of our tables. So we'll do this the fastest way possible on our graphing calculator. We can choose the normal CDF command, which again is second vars, option 2. If we're using raw scores, our lower of the two raw scores is 16.4. Our upper of the two raw scores is 57.7. The mean of this distribution is 35. And the standard deviation of this normal distribution is 10.2. And we get a probability that it will be between those two values equal to 0.9529.